Hello everyone. So my name is Michael. Um, I'll be taking you through uploading your files and folders into a Git repository. So if you're new to this channel, you can subscribe and also leave a like for more content like this, and also uh, click the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we have new content like this. So without further ado, so let's go. So I've already created so I'll be using an Angular project to demonstrate uploading files on your Git repo. So the first thing you need, you have to go to your GitHub account, and even if you don't have a GitHub account, be sure to sign up. So you'll navigate to your profile. So essentially there are two ways of uploading your files into a Git repository. One of them is uploading them directly from your machine, and also the other one is using the steps that I'll be showing you today. So the first thing, so I'll demonstrate the first step of uploading your files directly into your Git repository. So I'll first create a new repository and call it tutorial. As you can see, there is no other repository with that name. So it's important, if your Git repositories are public, it's important to add a description. So let me add a description, which I'll say this is a test Git tutorial. So after that, you click. You can either choose to make your Git repository public or private, so that will be up to you. And then you have these other options here, which I won't go deep into them. I'll share another video explaining what each and every one of these three steps, which is the README, how to add what a README means in your repository, what a Git ignore files means, and these specific licenses that you're supposed to upload in Git. So without further ado, once you've set up all that, just click on create a repository, which will create an empty repository. So on this guide, we have this section that has uploading an existing file. So this is the first way of uploading your files to a Git repository, which is actually drag and drop. So I can open my project here, which I've created, which is tutorial. So and then I'll attempt to upload the given file, which Git will not allow you to, because Git doesn't allow uploading a folder that has other subsets folders inside them. So if you need to upload a specific folder, what you need to do is like if you need to upload a specific folder, just come to a folder or file, whatever you want to upload. So let's get a folder that doesn't have, so let's create one that doesn't have test folder, that doesn't have folders inside, subsets of folders. And then I'll add a file. I'll copy a file, any file. Let me just copy my git. Now let me get a file like this file, whichever I choose. So and then attempt to upload. So as you can see, this one, since there are no folders that are embedded inside the folder, this one has uploaded successfully. And then I can add for here, you just add commits direct. So let me add initial commit, and then commit my changes. So if you navigate to my repository and go to code, yeah, so you'll have that specific folder, and inside the folder there's the file that I just copied inside. So that's the first way of uploading files into Git. So let's explore this. Hence this specific method is flawed because you can't upload huge project. This is essentially for uploading a small project. But what happens when you need to upload a huge project, which essentially that's what happens like most of the time. So let's explore. So we'll create a new repository which will upload our test Angular project, which I have. So let's go. So let me create another repository which I'll call tutorial 2, and then add a description, tutorial 2 method of loading files to Git. So these ones I've explained, so let me just create. So for this second method, you have to make sure there are prerequisites that you need in your machine installed. First, you have to have Git installed. So I'll share this link, which is for installing Git on your machine. I'll share the link in the description below for you to be able to first install Git. So after you install Git, let me open. So my project is called tutorial. Let me log into it. So I'll be using VS Code to push code into this specific repository. Okay. So you have to test. For you to test and make sure that Git is installed, machine, just do Git. Just type the word Git. You'll have these specific commands. Yeah, this is an indication that Git has been installed in my machine. So the next step, once you create a repository, you'll have these steps outlined here. So I'll explain each and every one of them. So the first thing you need to do is initialize your project, which you do. Clear this. You do git init. What git init does, it adds a folder called git into your project that enables tracking of changed file, which is this specific file. So once you initialize the project, all the changes that you do or make on that specific project will be recorded on that .git folder for you to be able to do these other steps. So the second step, you can either with git add, you can either add a specific file, or you can add all the files and folders in your project. So we will do ls. I can do git add and then add a single file, maybe angular.json, and then if I do git status, which will show test folder. Okay, this is shown. Let's see. Add angular.json. So did include. So let's try and add git add dot read me dot md. No, this is not dash. Git Really sorry for that. So git status. So this one is listing all the files on this. If you see a folder or file listed in red, it shows that those are folders that have that are untracked yet. So let's do git add. We add all the files that are untracked. So if you do git status now, all the files that are inside, as you can see, even the package.json file that I was adding at the moment is being tracked. So after you do git add, which actually indicates which files should be tracked in your project, which should be added in your project. So the next step is to commit, which will commit your project. So you can say add, so for the commit description you can add anything as per your preference. So I'll just add initial commit, or you can even say fast commit depending on your preference. So after you do that, the next step will be you have to connect your remote repository with your local project. So you have to add these other steps. So I'll just skip because I use the master branch. So this one will create a branch which we can push, a remote branch we can push data to. But for now, since we will have the master branch, I'll skip that. So, and then I'll connect my remote repository with my current project, so I can be able to push my changes. So once that's done, copy the push, which I'll push. Currently I have, if you check, if I do git branch, I already have a master branch. So I'll push my changes, push origin master. So as you can see, so I had not signed into my GitHub, so I'm allowing it to sign in. Sorry for that. Otherwise, Visual Studio, access. Okay, let me authorize. Add my password. So let me attempt to push again. Now I'm sure it has access. It has the necessary access. There's the necessary access. So these are just configuration. So I need to copy my code. Choose that code, which is this one. Given edit. So let me add it here and continue. That is just authorization. So bear with me. Okay, so now we can go back to our repository, and there it is. So it's pushing my code to my repo. So once that's done, we can go to our repository and confirm the changes we are trying to push actually have been pushed into the repository, and there it is. So I've been able to push all my Angular project into my Git repository. Yeah, so and that's essentially it. That's essentially it. So if you want to enjoy more content like this, you can again you can subscribe to this YouTube channel. And yeah, so see you next time. Cheers.